Okay, so here is the Pentax Zoom 105 Super overall conditions. Okay, let us open the battery cover. It needs you to use a small screwdriver to open it. Okay, after that it just take out. And it using two CR1238 battery, so you just put accordingly. Push it up, then lock it. Next thing, by opening here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here is the dummy roll where we need to put at this compartment from the top to the bottom, to make sure that the motor is fit into the center point of the flame. Push it in. Okay, then here make sure that the flame is flat like this, then just close it and it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now, where it have loaded the flame successfully. And here's the on-off button. Yep. Then here's the zoom. Look into the viewfinder. You will find out at the center point there got a bracket. You just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Oops. Half press. If it's blinking like this, which means that it can't focus, maybe you half press. Yeah, like this means okay, then you just click it. The red color stands for flash. When the environment don't have red color, which means that it won't trigger the flash, because now it's indoor and night environment, so it will trigger the flash. Then here is the flash setting for this button. Wow, I would recommend you just put it at blank, which is fully auto. Then this is the setting, and here is the timer and mode. Timer, continuous shooting, double exposure, and this one is INT, which every one minute it will shoot one shot. Yeah. And here's the setting, depends on, and here I have a light for you to see the screen at the night time. And here the back, wait, off it first. Okay, the back here is the date function. You can choose by yourself about the mood. This one is the daytime, and click it. Like this is off, and this one is like the month, date, and year. You can adjust it by clicking the select button, then it will blink. Then we just click the adjust button until the year you want. And this model, it doesn't come until like 2024 yeah. So either you just put it blank or the day and time. Yeah. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. Hope you enjoy it.